You can practice Vaidhi sadhana for 1,000 lifetimes, and Vaidhi sadhana will take you to Vaikuntha and give you so many rewards. But only Raganuga sadhana will take you to Radha and Krishna. There's a whole verse there, and the whole discussion in Madhya Lila chapter 8, Ramananda Roy, Samvad. And Lord Chaitanya is speaking, Ramananda Roy is speaking. He said, without following, if you don't follow Raganuga Bhakti, you can't attain Krishna. Braje Praptine Krishna Chandra. Without following Raganuga Bhakti, you cannot attain Krishna Chandra in Vrindavan, Braj. The verse is there in Chaitanya Charitamrita, spoken by Lord Chaitanya. So we may be worshipping Krishna, Radha and Krishna, but if it's not in the Rag Marg, then we will have to some life come to the Rag Marg. Everywhere told.